Hello everyone, today in this video we will be learning how to find factors and prime factors of number 42. So for finding the prime factors we will be using the tree method and will make a factor tree of 42, and for finding the factors there are two methods. One is the multiplication method and the other one is the division method. So we will be using the division method here, in which we will divide 42 by different numbers and will find whether it is a factor of 42 or not. If 42 is fully divisible by the number, that means the number is a factor of 42. Let's start the division and divide 42 by number 1. So 42 divided by 1. 1 times 42 is 42 and we get 0 remainder. So 1 is a factor of 42. In fact, 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So from this division, we got two factors as 1 and 42. So we are going to write the factors in pairs as 42 is equal to 1 times 42. Next, we'll divide 42 by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then we'll drop down 2, and 2 times 1 is 2. As 42 is even number, so it is fully divisible by 2. We got two factors as 2 times 21. Next we'll divide 42 by 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. And we got one remainder. Then we'll drop down number 2. Now here is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 is also a factor of 42. The two factors are 3 times 14. Next we'll divide 42 by number 4. 42 is not fully divisible by number 4 or number 5. Let's divide 42 by number 6. So 6 times 7 is 42 and we got 0 remainder. And the two factors are 6 times 7. Next we'll divide 42 by 7. So 7 times 6 is 42 and we got 0 remainder. So 7 is also a factor of 42. But now we see that we are getting repeated factors. We already got 6 times 7, and now after dividing it by 7 we got 7 times 6. So when we get repeated factors, we stop our division and will not consider the repeated factors. So now let's write the factors of 42. We are going to write the factors in increasing order. So first we'll write the numbers on the left hand side and then we'll write the numbers on the right hand side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. These are all the factors of 42. These are all factors of 42. Now let's find the prime factors of 42. So prime factors of 42 will be prime numbers. For finding the prime factors, let's make the factor tree for 42. So in the factor tree, on top will be number 42, for which we are making the factor tree. And we can write 42 as the product of any of the two factors here. So let's take 2 times 21. So 2 times 21. And in the factor tree, whenever the number is prime, we need to circle that number. So here 2 is a prime number, so we circle it. And 21 can be written as the factor of two numbers as 3 times 7. So now we see that 3 is also a prime number, so we'll circle that, and 7 is also a prime number. As we got all the prime numbers, so we are going to stop. So all the circled numbers are the prime factors of 42. So prime factors of 42 are 2, 3 and 7. So these are all the prime factors of 42. So this is how, by using these methods, you can find the factors and prime factors of any number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.